Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how you can perform tracking team workload on Asana, so let's dive right in. First up, you need to set up your projects on Asana. The reason we do this is to clearly define the tasks and assign them to the appropriate people in your team. This way, everyone knows what they're responsible for and can work towards meeting their deadlines. Now that we've done that, it's time to go to the timeline view. This helps us because it gives us a visual representation of tasks, deadlines, and who's working on what. Here, you can drag and drop tasks, extend or reduce timelines, and even add dependencies. You might be wondering, what are dependencies? Let me explain why this matters. Dependencies are tasks that are reliant on the completion of other tasks. This helps to avoid bottlenecks and keep the workflow going smoothly. Next up, let's focus on workload view. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana uses the data from the tasks you've input to show you a visual representation of each team member's workload. This is an excellent way to ensure that work is distributed evenly and no one is overloaded or underutilized. The reason we do this is to proactively manage workloads and ensure that every team member is comfortable with their respective tasks. This ultimately leads to better productivity and a happier team. Finally, do remember to use the portfolio feature. This feature gives you a high-level overview of all the projects, their status, and the team's overall progress. It's a powerful way to keep track of everything and ensure that your team is on the right track. And there you have it, a quick but comprehensive guide to tracking team workload on Asana. Remember, the key is being proactive and maintaining clear communication with your team. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tips on using Asana to boost your team's productivity. Until next time.